Professor Potts, Science for Curious Minds. What is magnetism? How does electricity work? Hi there. I'm Professor Potts. Greetings, brilliant young scientists. Have you ever stuck a magnet to the fridge and wondered how that works? Or have you flipped a light switch and thought about where the electricity comes from? Well, today we're unlocking the shocking secrets of magnetism and electricity. Two invisible forces that power our world. And guess what? We'll even build our very own electromagnet. Yes, you can do this at home. So, grab your lab goggles, imaginary ones work too. And let's dive in. Magnets are like magic, but it's science. They can pull certain metals like iron and nickel toward them or push them away with an invisible force called a magnetic field. Every magnet has two poles, a north pole and a south pole. Well, opposite poles attract and snap together, whereas the same poles repel. But why? Inside every magnet, tiny particles called electrons align like soldiers, creating a strong magnetic force. In most objects, electrons point in random directions, resulting in no magnetism. But in magnets, they all synchronize, pointing in the same direction, creating magnetism. Fun fact time. Earth is a giant magnet. Deep inside our planet, swirling molten metals create a magnetic field so strong, it makes compass needles point north. Here's where things get wild. Over 200 years ago, a genius named Michael Faraday discovered something mind-blowing. Moving a magnet near a wire creates electricity. This is called electromagnetic induction, and it's the reason we have lights, phones, and video games. The magic equation. Yes, it may look complicated, but it is simple. The faster you move a magnet near a wire, the more electricity you generate. Did you know that? Power plants use this simple trick. They spin large magnets inside coils of wire to generate the electricity that powers your home. But wait, can electricity create magnets? Yes. Run electricity through a wire, and poof, a magnetic field appears. Wrap that wire into a coil, and you've got an electromagnet. A magnet you can turn on or off with electricity. This is how electric motors, maglev trains, and MRI machines work. Fun experiment time. Build your electromagnet. You'll need a strong magnet. Yes, fridge magnets work. Copper wire or an old phone charger wire. A AA battery. A pencil. And a metal paperclip. Let's do this. 1. Coil the wire, wrap it around a pencil 10 times, leaving loose ends. 2. Connect to the battery, attach one end to the plus side, and the other to the negative side. Be careful, it might get warm. 3. Test your electromagnet. Bring the paperclip close to the coil. Snap! It will attach. It's magic. Nope, just science. Why it works? Electricity flowing through the wire creates a magnetic field, turning your coil into a temporary magnet. So to recap, the power of magnets and electricity. Magnets have invisible force fields with north and south poles. Earth is a giant magnet, that's why compasses work. Moving magnets create electricity, we know this thanks to Faraday. Electricity makes magnets. So, the next time you turn on a light, remember you're harnessing the power of magnetism. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and who knows? Maybe you'll invent the next big thing in science. Bye-bye.